Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up performance report for Mr. 51 here in Kentucky on the Stryker 655. 51 got it ready to go for you, bud. Customize your display there. And you got little modulation lights going up and down there as well. And tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade to the Toshiba ERF2030 pluses, and a custom little beep toy there. Let me let you hear it. Just flip it over to Roger beep. Let's hear it again. Flip that back off. Over at 100-watt scale, you're going to be running a 6 pill. So we set that about 3 watts all the way down. $20 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. About around 55 watts or so, bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello. About 124 watts PEP. Alright, 51, it's ready to come to you from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Boom, boom.